This is Wolfenstein. I built it last year, and it is about a video game and fully realized in diorama form. In moving it last week, I did this. I caught that little vertical stand and broke it. And in doing so, it stressed it because what it was on the desk, and as I lifted it, it caught up here. And so it bent this, and like a dope, I just kept going, not realizing what the heck I was doing. And so it not only broke it, but you see how it's curved down here. Well, that needs to be repaired, and it needs to be repaired properly. And with this being all glued in here as it is, I don't want to replace it. I want to repair this. Now, this is a wooden piece of doweling, very thin. And because of that bend, if I were to just take super glue and hold it together, I'm gonna have some things wrong with that. You see that little bend out there at the bottom of the top piece? That's gonna show up very easily. So I'm gonna show you how I am gonna repair it. And I get a little ridiculous with my repairs, but you're not gonna be able to see it when it's done. So I'll show you how to do that. Zoomed in here to see how it went. So we'll take these guys off. And there we go. I think it looks good. And again, because I had those, I waxed it and I kind of did a little sanding so it wasn't sharp. And then I took this edge down so I had that gap. It glued up really nice. There's no like pieces sticking out or anything looks like it's frayed. It just looks totally great.